Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So my name is Muhammad Samudi. Teachers that will teach you today because the other teacher is sick or something like that. Have some trouble in.
Okay, nice to meet you.
What we learn today is about narrative text. What we focus in here is about environmental awareness. Why environmental awareness? I want you guys to make some like opinion, but in narrative text form. Why in narrative text? Because in this era, narrative is more powerful than like other texts. So let's say about ads. Some ads have some story behind it. So that's make it more powerful, more make it the viewer or the whatever else will always remember about that. So let's start with this. What's the picture describe? In
Explore Kalimantan.
Oh, before
Ocean.
you guys answer it, before you guys answer it, I want you guys at this,
Sir, I will do that.
and for the prize, you guys can take it.
All of this.
All of this packet.
No, for one answer, take just one candy.
Two.
One pack.
Candy.
One pack.
Candy. So let's start.
Okay.
What?
Wait.
So what first picture describe?
Oh, where's the picture? A cartoon.
Take your candy.
Yay!
So what we learn is about narrative text, right? I want you guys to read it inside yourself. So who want to read it?
What is narrative text? Definition. A narrative text is a type of text that tells a story about a sequence of events or experiences, either real or fictional. The purpose is to entertain readers with an engaging story, to inform about events, cultures, and values, to teach moral lessons and life wisdom, to raise awareness about important issues. The key characteristics is written in past tense, follows chronological order, features characters and setting, contains a clear plot structure, use descriptive language. Thank you.
So here is the general structure, generic structure of a narrative text. Who wants to read it again?
So, generic structure of narrative text. Number one, is core intention. Introduces the character in the story, establishes the setting, time, and place. Provides background text for reader. Set the mood and tone of the narrative. For example, long ago, in the forest of Wish Kalimantan, a young man named Bujang Beji Bukit Kelabil. Number two, complication. If the conflict or problem arise in the story, create tension and change the narrative. May involve character, nature, or society. The general challenge that must be resolved. For example, complication is the river began to darken with pollution, fish disappeared, and the forest animal fled. the balance of nature was broken. So the last of that structure narrative text is the resolution. The problem is solved or addressed. Character learn and listen or change. Story is conclusion of contain the moral lessons. Example for resolution is a Bujang Beji united the community to restore the river and protect the forest, bringing harmony back to the land. Is the
Today you guys will learn by yourself. So I will just like to give you the material and you guys learn itself. So again, who wants to read it again? Wait.
Me, I can read it.
Okay, please.
Okay, language features. Key language features of narrative text. Past tense verbs. Events are told in the past tense. Example, the river flowed gently through the forest. Action verbs describe cycle events and movements. For example, Bujang Beji walked along the river bank and climbed the hill. Conjunctions, it's like link events and ideas in sequence. And, but, so, then, because, when, until, although. For example, he saw the pollution, so he decided to act. And direct speech, exact words spoken by a character. For example, we must protect this river, said the elder. Indirect speech, reported words without quotation marks. For example, the elders say that they must protect the river. Time connective shows chronological order, like first, then, next, after that, finally, eventually. For example, first the forest was green, then, yeah.
Thank you again.
Yes!
So before we go to the worksheet, the last is about grammar focus, the personal and impersonal voice. You want to answer it? You want to read it? Sorry.
Me!
Sige.
I can't see it.
It's okay.
We
You
all
can-
cannot see it. Like we should
Yeah, the
type
best
that.
No, I think I should, yes.
Yeah.
Grammar focus, personal versus impersonal voice. Personal voice. Just personal pronouns. I, we, they, he, she. I believe the river is polluted. We must protect the forest. They felt worried about the deforestation. She knew the land was sacred. Affect creates emotional connections, direct perspective, and personal responsibility. About that's all, sir. Or should I read all of them?
All of them.
Okay. Impersonal voice use passive of general statement, no specific subject. Like the river is believed to be polluted, the forest must be protected. It is known that deforestation is harmful. The land was considered sacred. Effect create objectively formal tone and universal statement. Proper. Only that.
No.
Okay.
Once upon a time, the story of Bujang Beji and Siti Toraja. Once upon a time, lived two men named Bujang Beji and Tumenggung Marubay, who were different from each other in character. Tumenggung Marubay was a humble, kind-hearted person. Bujang Beji was his opposite. He was greedy and arrogant. They made a living as a fisherman, each having his own favorite spots for fishing. Tumenggung Marubay sourced his fish Limpang Melawi River. Malawi River, where fish could be found in abundance. As for Bujang Beji, he always fished in Simpang Kapuas River, where there was less fish. Therefore, it was no wonder that Tumenggung Marubay always brought home more fish than did Bujang Beji.
Alright. Thank you, Neil. You can take your candy. So for the next paragraph, 1, 2, 3.
Ya, Tumenggung.
Tumenggung Marubay used a big trap called fishbowl to catch fish. After his boo-boo was filled with fish, he chose only the bigger ones and released the smaller ones back to the river. Thanks to his fishing wisdom, there were always plenty of fish in the river.
Alright.
Me.
You can take your candy.
Ya mau.
I'm the richer. I'm the richer.
Okay, for the next paragraph,
Me.
1, 2, 3.
Realizing that he had never caught as many fish as Tumenggung Marubay did, Bujang Beji felt so envious that he took all the way to Pinang and able to cross his mind, he decided to catch fish using tuba, a fish poison extract from the reed root. If one it works, fish were easily caught more and more fish every day. But there was a greater problem that he did not realize. It was that the fish were greatly reduced. On the other hand, Tumenggung Marubay still got a lot of fish. This made Bujang Beji.
Stop. Thank you.
Wih, banyak banget.
You can take your candy.
Nek baca yang lain.
So,
Mau yang ungu.
For the last paragraph, I will give 2 candies. The paragraph is so
Boleh
one candy, 2
I cannot see.
Yeah,
you can go.
go forward.
No.
Go forward.
Even more jealous. What? Bujang Beji yelled, "No one is better than me. You must have the best of everything. Everyone knows that. What could be better? Bujang Beji was successful in catching many fish, but seeing what Tumenggung Marubay got, Bujang Beji was bothered. So Bujang Beji decided to get rid of Tumenggung Marubay's luck once and for all. Then Bujang Beji began to think and he found the way he thought was the best. The very Venus idea crossed his mind. I have to cover the fall of the Malawi River with a large rock upstream so the fish will settle there. To Bujang Beji, he planned to use a large stone from the hills of Nangasilat. Then he departed for the hills. He brought the rock in his hand. Then, all of a sudden, far away, he heard the sound of girls longing at him. His attention was distracted. Bujang Beji accidentally stepped on a thorn. Reflexively, he dropped the stone that he was holding. Bujang Beji was caught in anger. Bujang Beji thought that it was the Kayangan goddess who launched at him. You will pay for this, he shouted as he stamped his foot pierced by a poisonous thorn on one of the nearby hills. Bujang Beji failed to close the Malawi River. all because of the goodness of heaven. I will take the revenge. Say Bujang Beji.
Okay, thank you.
Yay!
Thank
Good
you.
job, April.
There is one more paragraph, so I think maybe this is the last candy you can get.
Woo! Last candy. Oh, so
Maybe
sweet.
1, 2, 3. Finish it.
Bujang Beji plans to raise the land of rivers by using the kumpang bamboo tree, which is a kind of giant wooden tree whose end reaches to the sky. He started planting the sentence tree in just a few days. The tree had grown so high that the top was invisible to the naked eye. Right before climbing the kumpang bamboo, he did a superstitious ritual in order to get protection from the holy spirits of the land and animal spirits. However, there were 2 animals that Bujang Beji forgot to offer. They were a group of termites and bears. It made them angry. They also negotiated to thwart Bujang Beji. Let us gnaw the bamboo tree until it's broken, proposed the bear. The termite agreed, then they started to do it. At the time, Bujang Beji had almost reached the land of heaven. He fell into the ground and died instantly. Thus, Bujang Beji's attempt to harm to goddesses of heaven also failed. Tumenggung Marubai was spared from Bujang Beji's evil intentions.
Oh,
Bujang Beji.
Yes, Bujang Beji.
So, how, the first question is, how did the writer describe the main character in paragraph?
The main character is Bujang Beji.
And Tumenggung.
and they have 2 different characters. Yes, different character.
Okay. So, the second question is, the word he in paragraph 1.
Bujang Beji.
Bujang Beji.
Okay. The third question is, in paragraph 3, the word enters the closest meaning.
Enemy. No.
Yeah,
Jealous.
jealous.
Jealousy is a disease. Yes. And I'm ill.
Fourth question and the last question is, what? So, from the text above, what does this sentence mean? There must be a way for Tumenggung Marubai not to get a lot of.
Anime Bujang Beji.
Okay. That's right.
Oh, that's right.
Wow!
Itu One Piece ya, Sir?
Kok gak bidadari kayaknya?
Bukan. So I can take my candy. Yes, you can.
Aduh.
Terima kasih, Sir.
Itu kamu kok sedih.
So, for so maybe that's all from me for today. Sorry for so few maybe that material I give you because of the time.
Yes.
So what we learned today,
Bujang
Yes,
Beji.
environment.
narrative text.
Environment.
Environment. So
Bujang Beji.
what about the generic structure?
We have 3.
Oh iya.
What
Yes.
what are the
Orientation.
orientation?
Complication and conclusion.
Resolution.
Resolution. Okay, but the grammar focus we learn today about what?
Past tense.
Tense. A lot of
What
tense.
the other?
The other. Bujang Beji.
Wes, Brim.
Personal and personal form.
Yes, yes.
So that's all from me. Thank you for
the game.
thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Apa sih di media?